Hey, Mike here. So another template for you. This one is a little bit different. So this one isn't really supposed to be helping you with, by the way, peep the new website. Top notch, really, really cool. But that's for another video. Today's video is specifically about the Vault Architect for you, right? So long story short, I have it loaded in. So first of all, the way to get it is through the website. Of course, it's free. It's a free resource. You hop into the website, you click Explore Our Resources. It's a markdown file. You can right away type in Vault, and there it is. You click Get Now, and it downloads it for you. You just pop that markdown file into your Vault, and it's ready to go. Personally, I use SystemSculpt, obviously, right? A little bit biased here. But, yeah, I have it loaded in. So I click Custom Prompt. I load it in via here, and I click Vault Architect. And then I like to use O4 Mini, but Flash is really good too. Flash 2.5, especially the speed in which you can talk with it back and forth. But for today's demonstration, we'll just use O4 Mini. So okay, so we're using that, and now we can just initiate it by just saying, "Hey." That's all you got to do to initiate it. Just hi, hey, you can put a period, doesn't matter. And it'll right away start asking you questions about the vault that you're currently in. So you may want to say a starter thing like, hey, I want to upgrade my current vault, or hey, I want to make a new vault for a new, objective, a new thing. But in this case, let's just answer these questions. Let's see how it asks these questions. And I'm going to answer with the recorder. So I'm just going to use my Command R, talk, and it's going to fill it into the chat. So let's actually make this a little bit bigger there. And let's see. Okay. So hello, I'm Vault Architect, your Obsidian Vault Optimization Specialist. Okay. That's cool. What's the question? Let's see. What is the primary purpose of your vault? All right. So kind of spitballing here. So bear with me, but let's start the recording. I want to make a vault that is specifically for my business, SystemSculpt, and everything about it, everything regarding my roadmap to sales to basically my data center, my brain for my business. All right. So that's going to, transcribe in the background. There it is. It's transcribed. Now I can paste it, and there it is. So let's just hit enter, and let's see what it says. Obviously, it's going to have this vault understanding concept going on, and it's always going to reiterate what you're talking about, right? So, okay, you're focused on SystemSculpt, encompassing everything from your sales roadmap. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's exactly what I said. What's the next question? How would you describe your current organizational system? Do you already use folders, tags, links, or templates? I actually want to make this from scratch, an entirely new vault. So don't really pay attention to anything that I currently have in my vault. That's not really important. This is my main vault for, everything in my life. This new vault that I want to create with you is specifically only for SystemSculpt. All right. So there is the answer to the first part of the question. Let's paste that in. And now let's see. Can you outline any existing naming conventions or folder groupings? No, I cannot. And then how do you segregate different areas? Okay. So again, none of those questions are pertaining to my specific case here, wanting to create a new vault from scratch. So we're just going to leave it at that, hit enter, and that's our submission for that question. And yeah, I mean, the thing you have to understand about this script is that these questions are not predetermined. Okay. So it's going to ask you things based on your answers, right? So because I said that I'm making this from scratch, it's now going to ask me things that are going to be from the perspective of building a vault from scratch. It's not going to ask me like, as it was about to, right? As you saw here, do you already use? And if I answered yes to that, it would say, okay, what's your current folder structure? What does it look like? How do you take a daily note? Etc. Right? Here, however, now it's asking me for more high level things, right? It's going, okay, this user wants to make a vault from scratch, and we're going to build the best possible version for them. So yeah, with that being said, let's see. What's the next question? What high level areas, pillars, will this business vault cover? Okay. So, strategic planning and roadmap, sales and CRM, marketing. I mean, you know what? Let's just say yes to all of them. Yes to all of the pillars. Okay, I'm going to type this one out. Please list the main categories that you envision. What are your primary workflows in SystemSculpt? How do you capture and track leads? How do you plan and execute marketing campaigns? Okay, so you know what? Sometimes you may want to refuse a question. Maybe you're just not sure yet, right? And for this video's purposes, I'm going to show you how that works, right? You just say, actually, I don't know how to really describe the main categories. So help me out on that one. Kind of fill in the blank. Boom. So now you can see you don't have to answer absolutely every single question. So that's really good, because usually with a questionnaire or a quiz, you're kind of forced to, and that leads to issues down the road, right? Because especially if it's data-centric like it is here, you're going to wonder, why is this being added into my vault? Oh yeah, but it's because I kind of just had to choose a choice there. This prevents that from happening. So now we have a folder structure. We have a folder purpose file, right? It's still, the vault understanding so far is only at 40%. So you have to keep that in mind as you go along. Now, I'm not going to finish this to 100% because this video would take maybe, 10, 15 minutes, but you can see how, again, we started this all from just a simple hey. We answered a few questions, and now we already have a very good beginner SystemSculpt vault, right? Based on SystemSculpt, not a SystemSculpt vault due to the plugin, though you should install the plugin into that vault. I'll tell you that much. But yeah, now it's telling me the folder structures. I'm going to have strategic planning, CRM, and it's just outlining everything, and has an archive, right? And it tells you the purpose for every single one of the folders. And you know what? You may want to say, I actually want to use the para method, right? So let's just throw kind of a, what's it called? Not a spitball, but throw a ball from left field. Jeez. I don't remember that saying, how that saying goes. If you know that saying, leave it in the comments. But a hook, man, I'm terrible at baseball terms. But, we're trying to throw it off track here. That's what I'm trying to say. And so you can see now it's trying to say, okay, so we're adopting the para framework, right? So now it's splitting up all of those directories that we had here into the para method, right? The projects, areas, resources, and archive. And now what it's going to do is we're going to flesh out these folders. And again, now we're at 50%, right? So it has an even further understanding now, rather than just kind of spitballing and giving you all of these directories, because it didn't know that I wanted to do the para method. But now that it does, it says, okay, here's the para, and then now we're going to build out the para for this vault, and so on and so forth. So again, not going to go any more into detail. You get the idea, you get the point. The way you get this, okay, again, you head into systemsculpt.com. You're going to hop into this page, okay? If you don't have the Obsidian plugin yet, you're going to get it here, okay? You're going to get the lifetime license if you want a one-on-one session with me. We're just going to, like we're talking right now, or I guess I'm talking to you, you're going to talk to me as well on this one-on-one. We're going to go over your vault. We're going to take a look, deep dive, either a new vault or, an existing vault. You can take a look at all the testimonials in here. But anyway, head into the resources, type in vault, just the word vault, and there it is. There's the template. If you want all the templates, right, you just type in template, and here are all the templates currently. Again, new templates are coming out every single day. I'm probably going to start doing bulk templates or something like that, because I've got a lot in like the vault, the main vault, right? So yeah, keeping that in mind, I will see you again tomorrow.